Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how we can upload a profile picture on Viber. Also, I wonder why you want to upload a profile picture to your Viber account. It is because when you created your account, since you have not uploaded any picture to it, or maybe you want to change your profile picture on it. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video, I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure you have already installed Viber from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have created your account on it and right now you're logged in with this account. So right now just simply click on the Viber icon which is in your mobile phone to open the Viber app. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. It has few options on the top and few options on the bottom. So whatever your chats are will be there, but we are here to upload a profile picture to it, and here we don't see any option through which we can upload a profile. So for that you have to click on these three dots which is on the right bottom side of the screen. When you click on it, you could see your profile or settings open. So as you can see the camera icon, this is the profile icon. If you have uploaded any profile picture, it will appear here. So we will click on to this option so that we could upload a new profile picture. So once you click on it, you will get into your profile. So as you can see, we have this human icon. This is your profile icon. So if you want to upload a new one, you have to click on this option, and then you will get three options. Either you could select a picture from your photo gallery, or you can click a picture from your mobile phone camera at the moment, or you can use the Snapchat lenses to upload a picture. So you can use any one of these options. Whatever is more preferable for you, you can select it. But what I'll do is here I'll click on the gallery, and from the gallery I'll select a profile picture, and then we will see how we can upload it. So for that I'm just clicking on the gallery, and the mobile phone gallery will open, and from there I will select a picture. So here I have selected this picture, as you can see. Likewise, you can select your own picture, or you can use any other picture of your choice. You can use any kind of scenery, quote, animal, or any random picture, whatever you like, you can select it. After that you have to click on save, and it will get uploaded to your profile. So now we just got back, and here you can see this is how the profile picture looks. So here you can see the picture has been uploaded successfully. Likewise, if you follow all the instructions that are shown into this video, you can also upload a profile picture of your choice to your Viber account. And if you again want to change it, you just have to simply click on it, and then you have to click on this camera icon, and from this camera icon you can upload a new picture of your choice. So it was this simple to upload a new profile picture or even your first profile picture to your Viber account. You don't have to go for hectic steps. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can upload a profile picture to your Viber account. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.